Hey everybody, it's Monique from the Monique Show, and today for you guys, I'm going to be opening up this slime kit that my BFF got me, and we got the exact same present as each other. And I've already opened it because the thing was filming, but then someone called me and I'm filming it on my phone. So, yeah, I've had to film this video 3 times because of all these interruptions. Yeah, so it comes with like a mixer. It comes with 4 containers that I put the lids on. Then it comes with a measuring cup, a green little spoon, and 6 mixing sticks. And a bag, but we don't need a bag. Then the next thing that's in it is... it comes with like labels. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited to open this. Alright, the first thing I pull out are their own like Craze 2 Slimy creations. Stickers that we can add on the container. Then there's some instructions. I don't need instructions. I know how to mix that. Oh, then we got the bag of goodies, and the base that comes with all these, and another bag. First of all, no, I knocked down my towel. In that. Oh my god, I'm horrible. I'm a horrible person. I'm horrible. And guys, today is the last day of school, so we got no more school. For about 2 months. Right, with the base, what I'm going to do is add this thing. Oh, before we start making the base, I'm going to open this. Oh my god, thank god the glitter's already in the tube for you. Couldn't open it. Hey, this is the thing that goes onto the mixer. And should mix. Sorry for the barking in the back. My dog just goes very high. Then we have 4 colours here: blue, green, yellow, and pink. Then it comes with 2 more blues and pinks. Not sure why. Then it comes with a bag of confetti. Don't know how that's gonna go. Then it comes with a bag of like fishbowl these. Then thank god, it comes with the glitter already put in there, because I know that I cannot put the glitter in there. Yeah, so it comes with little bubbles. Okay, we're going to add the glitter on these things. We're going to add... How's the box set up? These ones goes on there, but they're not fitting. The beads are too big. Oh no, they fit. I finally got them in. For some reason this is all broken up, but I can't break it up, so just them 2 gonna be in there. Oh, I put the beads in there because they don't fit in here. Okay, then a container goes there. Yeah, but I'm not gonna do that. Oh my god, guys, I forgot about the glue. Guys, I forgot about the glue. It came in a little cotton box. There was another layer to it, and this comes with all the glue and stuff. Okay, so we've got 1 white. Oh, some of the activator spill. Okay, then we got some slime activator. Then we got some clear glue. Actually, no, none of it has spilled. It's just all oily. Then we got some more activator. And then we got another white glue. You lucky I looked at. Now I know that there's nothing in the box. Okay, now there's a white glue goes there. And the clear glue goes in there. One of the activators can go in there. It's not raining or something because I hear rain. Okay guys, so before we make a slime, I want to fix up my area. I'm going to make it into like a quick factory. So yeah, with this bowl, the bowl is going to go over there. From what I know, the bowl's going over there. You can go there. Okay, the bowl's going to go there. Then I have my thing that I put the thing on there. Then, you know what I'm going to do. Then I have my garbage bag there. Then I have all these wheels that are my dad's, not mine. So I'm not going to touch his stuff. Then I have this bag of confetti. I think I'm going to... I need an area where I can put all my things in. But for now, I'm going to put everything over here. So yeah, okay, as I move this box, I'm going to add some of this over there. It's almost empty. My baking soda. My contact lens solution is in the other room, so yeah, I'm going to put my paints over there, wherever the rest of them are. There's some more paints here. So white paint. Some more of these paints. And here. And I'm gonna put some of my beads in there because there's actually barely any in there. Then I'm going to... Okay, now I'm gonna put you guys there. Alright. I'm gonna lean you against my thing. I'm gonna line up my slimes on there. Some little extra little keychain things that can probably go there. They're probably gonna have to move. But yeah, then we got some of these. Got a big one. So like that. There's nothing in there. They're basically like containers. But yeah, then we got some more containers over here. And we're going to put the labels on. Then we're going to put a measuring... Okay. With all these bags, we're going to put these bags in the bin because I don't need them. So yeah, now we're going to put the measuring cup over there. We're just going to leave the instructions here just in case I need them. Don't need this cardboard thing. Whatever it is. Using the box is small. Then we're going to add the paints over here and some more of the extra things there. Then with all my mixing things, I'm going to add them in there, just these. Okay, and with these scissors, they're not really, I don't really have them. Then with the slime factory, I'm going to add it over there. I don't know, that's just a wheel. So then I have my prints, I'm going to add them there. I've got some highlighters here. I'm just going to put them away in here because I don't need them. Then I got some glitter. You can never go wrong with glitter. The glitter goes down there because it's not like things that we'll need. There's another slime here that I'll probably put up there. Then I don't know what that is. I'm going to keep, that's another slime, so we're going to add the slime up there. Slime factory there, this is the lid to that. Finally cleaning up everything. Bit of organisation around here. Squishy can just go there for now. This slime is not part of this. Oh, for goodness sake. Oh, but everything's finally cleaned up. Yeah. Finally. Bit of organisation. Okay guys, so now everything is put away nicely. I've got all of my things packed away nicely. Now we're going to see you guys there, and we're going to begin making some slime. So, it looks like you need your own bowl. Let me have a look on the box. But that's what the mixer thing is for. So, okay, you guys really not that good. Okay, sorry if it keeps falling. I'm going to use the mixer, but I'm not going to use the stand. Because I can't be bothered. Are we supposed to pull this out? Can I put this back in? Well, we kind of have to pull it out. That's dumb. Okay, well, looks like that's in alright. We're going to make some clear slime today. I feel peachy. Is there? Okay, so there is a little patchet thing on them. Yeah. Oh, that hurt. I'm not making a big batch because I want this to last. Okay, that's as much as I'm making. I know it's not really that big, but okay, so okay, well that's in fine. Now I'm going to add some colour. I'm going to make yellow. This is where I have to use one of these to get the paint. Okay, well that's also a bit dumb. Because there's not much you can really do about that to get it. Come here on the side. I'm not using this mixer thing again. Yeah, it's very kind for it to come in a mixer because, yeah, it's very kind for it to come in a mixer. These guys, it's basically already slime. See, that's already slime. Hold on, let me see. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm taking everything out of here. I don't care, I'll continue making it on the table. Is that literally all I made? Oh. Okay, I'm not using this freaking mixer thing ever again. This mixer thing. It can go get stuff. I'm not using that mixer thing again. Is that understood? No, so my friend said that you don't really... Okay, let me make some more slime. That's all. So my friend said that you just have to basically mix it. And then it like activates. It's probably because I'm just making it on the table. Yeah, guys, you don't really need activator. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, guys, this I know that this this slime kit is really good, but I just don't think the mixer thing is such a good idea. Oh my god, another freaking zeal. Alright, I'm going with 2 drops for now because we didn't really need much. Yep, that's all. That probably could have over-activated it. Okay guys, this is going to be a very small slime. I did not want this video to get planned like this. It wasn't planned like this. But yeah, so guys, but the slime does turn out really, 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 really nice. So it's kind of like, at first, it doesn't really, you know, it's like a bit stiff. Then you just have to kind of like knead it, play with it, and then it goes so soft. And yeah, it's a bit sticky, but yeah, once you play with it, it's fine. I only made a small amount of thing, and that's how much glue I wasted. So yeah, but anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!